Have you ever wondered why the Statue of Liberty, an iconic symbol of freedom, was actually a gift from France to the United States? This towering monument, standing tall in the New York harbor, is not just a beacon of liberty, but also a testament to a unique international friendship. The statue, fondly known as Lady Liberty, is not merely an emblem of freedom, but also a symbol of a bond between two nations. The story behind this iconic symbol is as fascinating as the monument itself, so stay tuned. The idea of the Statue of Liberty was born at a dinner party in France. Picture this, the year is 1865, and we're at the home of Édouard de La Boulaye, a prominent French political thinker. Amidst the clinking of glasses and the hum of intellectual conversation, an idea starts to take root. De La Boulaye, a staunch supporter of the United States, proposes a grand gesture of friendship. A gift, not just any gift, but a towering symbol of the shared ideals of freedom and democracy that both nations hold dear. He envisions a statue, a Lady of Liberty, standing as a beacon of hope and a testament to the enduring bond between France and the United States. The idea resonates with those present, setting in motion a chain of events that would eventually lead to the creation of one of the world's most iconic landmarks. So, the seeds were sown for a monumental gift that would symbolize the enduring friendship between two nations. Turning this grand vision into a reality was no easy task. The design phase was spearheaded by Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, a French sculptor with a knack for the monumental. His vision was to create a statue that would symbolize freedom and democracy, a beacon of hope for all who saw her. However, the engineering challenges presented by this colossal feat were daunting. Enter Gustave Eiffel, a name synonymous with towering structures. Eiffel was tasked with designing a skeleton that could support Bartholdi's grand design. He had to ensure that the statue was both sturdy and flexible enough to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. The project was not just a challenge of engineering and artistry, but also of finance. Fundraising efforts were launched on both sides of the Atlantic. In France, art auctions and public fees helped raise the necessary funds. Meanwhile, in the United States, a variety of initiatives were undertaken, from benefit theatrical events to auctions of art and manuscripts. The construction of the torch, a symbol of enlightenment, was completed in the United States before the rest of the statue, serving as a beacon of the monumental task to come. After years of hard work and perseverance, the Lady Liberty was ready to make her journey across the Atlantic. This was not just the voyage of a statue, but a symbol of friendship and shared ideals, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. In June 1885, the disassembled Statue of Liberty arrived in New York Harbor. The massive copper statue, an emblem of freedom and democracy, came in crates, a puzzle of 350 pieces waiting to be solved. Over the following months, workers tirelessly pieced together this towering symbol, each part meticulously assembled with an unwavering sense of purpose. As the statue took shape, anticipation grew. Finally, on a chilly day in October 1886, the dedication ceremony took place. Thousands of people, their hearts filled with hope and pride, gathered to witness this historic moment. The air was thick with excitement as President Grover Cleveland, former New York governor, dedicated the statue to the American people. A sea of hats was tossed into the air, cheers echoed across the harbor, and the Statue of Liberty was finally unveiled to the world. And thus, the Statue of Liberty found her permanent home on Liberty Island, standing tall as a beacon of freedom. Over the years, the Statue of Liberty has become much more than a monumental gift. She began as a mere idea, nurtured in the minds of visionaries who dreamt of a symbol that would embody the ideals of freedom, democracy, and the promise of a better life. This idea was brought to life through feats of engineering and construction, a testament to human tenacity and ingenuity. The statue's journey culminated in her arrival and dedication, a grand event that marked the birth of an iconic emblem of the United States. Her torch, held high, has welcomed millions seeking refuge and opportunity. She has stood steadfast, weathering storms and the passage of time, a beacon of hope and promise. The Statue of Liberty is more than just a monument. She is a symbol of the values we hold dear. So the next time you gaze upon Lady Liberty, remember the remarkable journey she undertook to stand tall in New York Harbor as an enduring symbol of freedom and friendship.